mutilation with?
First, cattle mutilations, now 2 murders. Kind of sounds like ritual stuff.
You know, like satanic cult ritual stuff?
You're not kidding. Those cows aren't being mutilated. You want to know how I know?
How?
Because there's no such thing as cattle mutilation. Cow drops, leave it in the sun, within 48 hours, the bolt will split it open so clean it's just cloud surgery. The bodily fluids fall down into the ground, get soaked up, because that's what gravity does. But, hey, could be sick. What newspaper do you say you work for?
World Weekly News. Weekly Boss. It's World Weekly Boss. 100.
Get out of my office.
John. Jeff, I know that. Dr. Dorkin needs to see you in his office right away. But Dr. Dorkin's on vacation. Well, he's back. He's pissed and screaming for you, man. So if I were you, I would... Hey, those Satanists in Florida, they marked their victims, didn't they?
Yeah, reverse pentacle on the forehead.
Great. Open it.
You open it.
Puss. No pentagram. Maybe we should look at her mouth and see if it's whack stuff anything down her throat, kind of like moth and down to the lens. Lift your lip up again?
What? You want me to throw
No, I think I saw something. Is that a hole?
It's a tooth.
See, that's a thing. Retractable set of vampire fangs. You gotta be kidding me.
This changes things.
You think? Let's go.
Another drink. What can I get for you?
2 beers, please.
So we're looking for some people.
Sure. I'd be lonely.